Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Desiree and my channel name is I Desire Wealth. What I wanted to do in this video, so I do have some money coming to Allie, but it hasn't made it there just yet since I just sent it today. I wanted to work on this savings challenge and D's alphabet savings challenge as well. So let's go ahead and do that. So for this first challenge, let me go ahead and click on markup, and I'm going to do yellow again. And I only have, for that challenge, I only have $19. So we want to do, and do highlighter, and we want to do $19. So we have, okay, this is in the way, that's why. So we have 5, and then we have 3. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Another 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So there we go. I just added $19 more to this challenge, and I will get this completed next week. So I'm going to go ahead and stop the video here. Know that I have videos playing in the background. So we have Lisa, Pretty Rebudgets. I don't remember whose box this is. So this is Sin on a Budget. And for this one right here, we have Nine Blossom. Definitely help them out, help them with their watch hours. So this is the alphabet challenge. So for each one, so this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and yes, I'm probably ashy, and this is 6. So 6 and 5 is 11, plus 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So we are going to go ahead and complete these. And I got that extra $1 from the previous challenge. I was going to do 20 and 20. But this one needed $1. That way everything can, you know, work out better. So the next time I do need to do this one for 7. And we already did 8. Also, let me go ahead and mark 7, 19 for these. So that's it for the challenge. And while I have you all here, if you haven't seen this video right here, you definitely want to go back and watch, especially if you have kids that, you know, you got to go back to school shopping for and all of that. Me, Kris from Budgeting Just Because, Cassie, Deborah's Journey, Deborah from Deborah's Journey, and Tammy from Make Money Save Money. We are hosting a back to school giveaway over here on YouTube and also Instagram. If you haven't seen it, definitely go see that video. Follow the directions, and on the, I think on the 25th, we will be hosting the winners for a nice amount for you to go school shopping with. So definitely go back, check that out. You don't want to miss it. And go ahead and head over to my Instagram. Of course, is I Desire Wealth on all platforms. Read the instructions, follow the directions. And I almost got tongue-tied. So read the instructions, follow the directions. Definitely enter if you would like to win or want a chance at winning. So this is it. This is my video for today on this Good Friday. Not really sure when this video is coming out, But thank you so much. Thank you for the ones that has been running my playlist. Thank you for the ones that have shared everything. Thank you so much. As of this morning, I have this amount of watch hours, and we have this amount to get. So let's go ahead and get it. And y'all, I just wanted to add this in real quick. So I went to go check my mailbox finally, and I got Happy Mail. Let's see who it's from. And let's take out everything. I've already opened the card. That way I can save some trouble. So I have a ton of stickers. So I'm going to put those back in the envelope. That way they won't be all over the place. So this is from Ange. And she just said, Desiree, thank you for always supporting me. I'm so glad you won something, Ange. Let's see what she sent. So, first, hold on. Oh, so this is a tote bag. Is there anything in it? There is not anything in it. But this is what the outside looks like. Oh, isn't he cute? And I also won the taco mystery scratch off. So you either would have $3, $2, or $25 to save a total of $100. Wow, isn't this challenge cute? And it was made by Life with Bobby. And we have another savings challenge, which is the Puptastic savings challenge. And not really sure how much we're going to save. And it was also made by Life with Bobby. So here are the challenges. And let's just see if I can get a picture, which I did. So that's it, guys. We're wrapping up this video. Hope you're having a great day. I'm going to go run to the store before it gets, well, it's not really too hot outside, but I need to grab a few things. That way we can eat them when we have our pork chops and brown beans. So bye. See you in the next one.